One of the pine trees we've used in windbreaks quite frequently now for probably over 15 years is the Domingo Pine. It has kind of a neat story behind it. The Domingo wasn't around years ago, and it's a cross between the white pine, the eastern white pine, and the Mexican white pine. You wouldn't think the Mexican pine would be a good choice for Nebraska, but the Mexican white pine actually comes from 7,000 foot elevations in Mexico. So the paper pulp industry crossed the Mexican white pine with the eastern white pine of North America to develop a paper pulp product for the future. It didn't work out, so a nurseryman by the name of John Risberger in Oregon got a couple grafted seedlings. I believe it was on a Sunday afternoon at the airport. Thus he named the tree Domingo for the Mexican pine coming in on a Sunday at the airport. And from there, it's kind of history. The Domingo pine is a 5-needle pine, so it won't get the blights like the ponderosa and the Austrian do. It has a real decorative cone that you can use for arrangements, again, either wreaths or garland or even wiring them on trees. Has a white banding to it, so the color is kind of a bluish green. You get a bicolor to it. Fairly rapid growing. We average about a foot a year on average in windbreaks and in yards. We like it for windbreaks because of the lack of disease issues and the high drought tolerance. It probably is one of the better trees to put in if you want to diversify, again because of the lack of disease issues, where ponderosa does pick up some disease issues here as it ages. So the oldest ones we've played with so far are out in landscapes at about 15 or 16 years on the top of a hill, north exposure, and they've been doing just fine even through the drought years. So we've been very pleased with this so far. But it probably needs some more testing in different areas like western Nebraska. Eastern Nebraska is done all right, but western Nebraska, where it's a little drier, I've heard that it does very well in Scotts Bluff. So as far as height, we probably get about 30 to 40 foot tall by 15 to 20 foot wide. And like most windbreak trees, we're spacing them at on average 18 foot apart.